Oh God, brother. You always recording me when I still not ready. Sorry, I'm open the tire. Okay? Don't misunderstanding. So guys, today we have plan to open the middle pipe for this ninja to repaint it with high temp black color. So, do you think, brother, is the black color beautiful? I think white or pink. Pink is better than pink. Because we need to make something different from the others. Oh, okay. So for you guys, for your information, that's our update on our build. As you can see now, the difference is yes, this wire is in black in color. Oh God, all wire is black. Let's be serious, a little serious. As you can see now, this is handle balancer guard. For your information, the usage of the handle balancer guard is it protect your hand or your clutch lever or brake lever from damage when you fall down. And we will make some example. This, put it on this. Imagine you on a bike. You want to make it straight. You take out the tongkat and then you slip. And then your bike fall down. Imagine. This one will broke, but this will protect the lever. Yes. Because the lever or the handle balancer guide, the lever is more expensive. You want to lose an expensive one or a cheaper one. Think wisely. Yeah.
Hi Thomas. Hi.
Oh, okay. Okay, the second usage of the handle balancer guard is okay. You can have a good riding position. If you bought with a normal riding position, you can ride your bike like this. Bang! Bang bang bang! Bang bang bang! Or like this. Or like this. It feel like you riding a, oh God, you riding a burro. Oh brother, today is so hot. You can see I'm sweating. Oh, I'm sweating. But don't worry, brother. This sweating helped me to bust today. So I don't need to bust today. I already bust. I'm very diligent. You need this wire to open the manifold. Okay? You need 12mm size. As you can see now, there's 4 nuts we need to open. Okay, and then 1 nut at this place. Let's do it, brother. First, use your right hand. Take your right hand at the tire. Okay, put your right hand to the tire, and then swipe the tire like this. Make sure your bike doesn't fall down. Use your right hand like this. Okay, make sure your point finger and your middle finger, the Y is between this. Okay. Okay, huh? Use your right hand like this, and then put it like this. Ah! Oh! It's hard, brother. It's so hard. Okay, continue. Continue open with anti-clockwise. Okay. You know something? We have a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun. Wow. Where we at? Huh? Why the water close? Oh god. So guys, our mission here is to clean the carbon in this pipe. Simple step. You must have this. You must have water. You must have hand and this. If you don't use this, no, you have no thing to do. Wow, the water fountain. Oh god. Why there's a bubble? Oh, I don't know the carbon have a bubble. Oh, sorry. Oh god. What the hell is that? Why we have bubble there? Oh god. Green color, god. Green color. Oh, that's sweet, brother. That's sweet. I'm seriously don't know that the carbon can mix bubble and then green color. Oh god. See this? Oh! Sorry. I'm too emotional. Oh! Ah! You always recording me when I'm trying to do something satisfying. As you can see now, there's a lot of rust. Oh, there's a lot of rust. By the way, we want to paint this exhaust with high temp. Okay, so that's why we clean before we sand it, before we make a sanding on it. You know what is sanding? You know sandpaper? We want to put the sandpaper and we want to brush it on this pipe. After that, oh, too much rust. We dry it, we clean it again after it's perfectly before we make a repaint, and then we paint it. Please guys, stay tuned with our videos if you want to see our review on our Ninja 254R 2013. This use a lot of effort. Sometimes in life, when you want something perfect, you must use a lot of effort. Be like me guys, I'm use a lot of effort to make something perfect.